Imagine waking up to a world transformed by technology, where making money has never been easier. With the rise of AI, opportunities abound. According to Goldman Sachs, over 300 million jobs could be replaced by AI by 2030. But with change comes opportunity. Let's explore 7 AI tools that could be your ticket to wealth in 2025. 1. Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI-powered image generator that creates stunning visuals from text prompts. How to make money with Midjourney. Instagram niche pages. Craft captivating images for specific niches and grow your following. Sell digital wallpapers. Offer your AI-generated art as downloadable products on platforms like Etsy. Print-on-demand products. Use services like Display to print your designs on metal posters. Offer design services. Create personalized art for clients and charge for custom work. Art NFTs. Turn your creations into NFTs and sell them on platforms like OpenSea. Why it works. The creator economy is booming, and unique visuals are in high demand. Midjourney allows anyone to produce high-quality art without traditional skills, enabling global sales. 2. HeyGen translates your videos into multiple languages, expanding your content's reach. How to make money with HeyGen. Multilingual content creation. Translate existing videos to attract non-English speaking audiences. Offer translation services. Help content creators and businesses translate their videos for a fee. Manage multi-language accounts. Handle social media accounts for clients in different languages. YouTube channels. Start a channel focused on global niches and translate videos for increased ad revenue. Corporate translations. Localize corporate training and promotional videos for businesses. Why it works. With 75% of the world's population not speaking English, translating content opens up vast untapped markets, increasing viewership and engagement. 3. Hostinger AI Website Builder. Hostinger's AI Website Builder allows anyone to create professional websites without coding experience. How to make money with Hostinger AI Website Builder. Freelance web design. Offer website creation services to small businesses. Launch your own online store. Set up an e-commerce site quickly. Affiliate marketing. Build niche websites to promote affiliate products. Subscription-based blogs. Create a blog with premium content for subscribers. Why it actually works. Every business needs an online presence. This tool simplifies website creation, meeting the growing demand for digital services. 4. PhotoRoom AI. PhotoRoom enhances ordinary photos into professional quality images by removing backgrounds and improving visuals. How to make money with PhotoRoom AI. Product photography services. Enhance product images for e-commerce sellers. Social media content creation. Create visuals for influencers and businesses. Online courses. Teach others how to use PhotoRoom effectively. Stock photos. Sell enhanced images on platforms like Shutterstock. Why it works. High-quality visuals are essential for online marketing. PhotoRoom democratizes access to professional imagery, allowing anyone to enhance their content. 5. No-code app builders, Softer and Bubble. No-code platforms like Softer and Bubble let you build web applications without coding. How to make money with no-code app builders. Develop custom apps. Create apps tailored to clients' needs. Launch your own SaaS product. Monetize a software-as-a-service application. Online tutorials and workshops. Educate others on using these platforms. The demand for custom software is growing, and no-code tools lower the barrier to entry, allowing more people to participate in app development. 6. ChatGPT plus Canva AI. Combining ChatGPT's text generation with Canva's design tools enables rapid content creation. How to make money with ChatGPT and Canva AI. Social media management. Generate and schedule posts for businesses. Content creation services. Offer packages for blog writing and graphic design. Digital products. Create and sell ebooks or templates. Why it works. Efficient content creation is vital for digital marketing. This combination streamlines the process, making it accessible and profitable. 7. Arcads. Arcads generates professional-looking user-generated content, UGC ads for businesses. How to make money with Arcads. Ad creation services. Produce UGC-style ads and charge per project. Affiliate marketing. Create compelling ads for promoted products. Social media campaigns. Run ad campaigns for clients and provide analysis. Why it actually works. Authentic ads resonate better with audiences, leading to higher engagement. ArcAds simplifies content creation, enabling effective marketing campaigns. The AI revolution isn't just about job displacement. It's about leveraging technology to create new income streams. By embracing these AI tools, you position yourself to capitalize on the future of work. Start exploring these tools today. Your journey to wealth in 2025 begins now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.